my god. Oh my god.
What's up, guys? So we are officially back in Texas, and I know we've been a little slow on uploading some RC content, but pretty much my entire fleet is destroyed or broken. So at this point, my little cousin actually finally killed the Xmaxx by completely shredding the gears. So first, we're gonna have to redo these gears. As you can see, those gears are totally broken, and it sounds absolutely terrible. Look at that. There is no teeth left at all, and the pinion's also messed up, so that's cool. So I have successfully taken apart the Xmaxx, and we have this demolished gear. So you hear my cat sneeze over there. We have this demolished spur gear, and then the pinion was on its way out too, thanks to that gear. So we're gonna get some new gears in here and get this thing running. And also, Cass's cousin seemed to have sheared this brace off right here. That's pretty cool. Don't even know how that happened. So next up, we have the Max that I'm working on, and that's because, if you can see here, the axles keep twisting. They literally just twist out and break. So we're just gonna install a whole new set of axles on here. All right, so with the help of Byron, we're putting a 50 tooth in here. And okay, well, that happened. And hopefully this thing does some better wheelies and some backflips, so we're gonna see. All right, now, so we got the 50 tooth gear in here with the stock pinion, and I think it's gonna wake it up quite a bit. Oh yeah. Oh, that's crazy. This thing will just pull wheelies. Oh, that is crazy, man. That just seems so much faster, so much torquier though, really. Let's see if I can still do my rear. Oh, that's even more than before. Really great idea.
I'm okay with it.
Yeah, this is way more torquey. Ow. That hurt. So far, I'm in love with this 50 tooth, man. It's so torquey. Whee! Oh, I got... It worked.
Ow.
What'd you say?
Ow.
Byron on the Xmaxx now.
Are you ready for it to break?
Yeah, dang, that tire ballooned. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's way more torquey now.
Oh my god! Oh my god! You got so far up the tree? It started just to climb the tree.
That's not supposed to happen. We're tree people. We like trees.
We love the trees.
Quit trying to mate with them.
We don't need more tree people. Ow! Ow. Byron's like, what do you want me to do?
Come on. Do a backflip. Do something cool.
Oh my god. Perfecto.
Something cool.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. Oh my god. Whoa. That kind of ballooned. Oh my. Boink.
Okay, I'm done.
All right.
No, I'm not.
He sees a better side of a tree. Oh, that was a good one to end on. Good one to end on.
There you go.